Someone just messaged me like, "Hey Big G, I'm on vacation and my boss is forcing me to send a full sales report. I am not wasting my holiday doing that. Help!"
Well, you came to the right gorilla. Because Big G does not let humans suffer spreadsheet pain on vacation.
Here's how to finish a full, professional data report in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Upload your data to ExcelDashboard AI.
Our AI automatically cleans your messy jungle of numbers. Step 2. Pick your page count, your audience, and let the AI think for you. It digs through the data and finds all the juicy insights, so you don't have to. Step 3. Hit Generate Report. In under 3 minutes, you get a 20-page, crystal-clear, chart-packed report. Then, just use AI Smart Edit to tweak any tiny details. And finally, export as an Excel dashboard or a PPT with one single tap. Easy. Right. Even a gorilla could do it.
Oh, hold up. My boss is texting me too. Yep. All bosses really are the same species. But we've got our secret weapon now, don't we?